Welcome to Cellopedia, this is Maxim. Today we will start working on a new project, Opus number 101 by Sebastian Lee. It's called First Steps in Violoncello Playing. That means that regardless of your current level, you will get a chance either to review certain things you might have forgotten or just learn them anew. And that will definitely help you to play better. I will play for you each etude in slower tempo, followed by faster tempo recording with pre-recorded cello accompaniment. This way you will get a slower version to practice with me, and then you might want to join me to try yourself, to challenge if you can play it in a faster tempo. Please feel free to share your questions or observations about your progress. This will give you a unique way to be in touch not only with me, but with many cellists from all over the world. Let's tune and start working. Our first exercise. So much joy to try it. There are many challenges to overcome, but don't worry, you will be able to do it if you give yourself enough time to practice. Some of the challenges will include turning your wrist, making sure that it's flexible, and you are observing how the wrist works depending on the part of the bow you are using. And of course, left hand precision. You will have to master the sense of the first position, how you use your fingers, and when it's proper time to change from one note to another. Usually you want to do it exactly when you are changing the bow. You change the bow, you quickly change finger position. Let's start in tempo quarter note 60. You will have 4 beats, 4 quarter notes in each whole note. You will have to use the whole bow. That will give you enough time to figure out your next note. And now I will perform it for you in faster tempo, quarter note 96, and you will hear pre-recorded accompaniment along the top line. Feel free to join me. I'm sure that you will enjoy playing together. If you enjoy playing those duets together with me, I have many more duets of different composers recorded for Cellopedia Patreon supporters. If you consider supporting Cellopedia this way, you will get an exclusive access to those recordings, and that will definitely help you to enhance your cello skills. In the etude number 2, you will have to play 2 times faster since you have half notes, not the whole notes as it was in the etude number 1. And one new thing you'll have to do is that at the end of the first and second lines, when you have dotted half note and quarter note rest, you will have to make a retake. You finish this dotted half note and then you have just 1 quarter to move the bow towards the frog. If it's new for you, it will definitely take some time. Make sure that you practice the transition from the last measure of the line to the following measure. Now I will play it for you in faster tempo, quarter note 96, and you will hear the second cello accompaniment. If you feel like you are making progress with those videos, you might be interested in checking out Cellopedia courses on Udemy. I put there several courses for cellists of different levels. You might find something new to learn, or you will enjoy reviewing some courses with information you have already learned but might forgot. And by the way, there are 2 courses specifically dedicated to works by Sebastian Lee. On top of that, if you use the link in the description, you'll get the special Cellopedia discount for all of those courses. My best wishes to you and hope to see you soon.